How to use a celebrity for your marketing campaign. How to make sure that it is your brand that is getting more popular, not the celebrity. Welcome to Business and Management Podcast. Hello, my friends. How are you doing? I hope that you always be healthy and successful. Welcome to the Business and Management Podcast with myself as the host, Marcel Ludi. Have you ever seen advertising with famous celebrities on it? Think of Nike's Air Jordan or Coca-Cola's Ronaldo. Have you ever wondered how much the brand team paid the celebrity to be their endorsers? A lot. The contract value of a top celebrity for a brand advertising could pay the salary of the entire marketing team for the whole year. Therefore, the question is, do you really need to use a celebrity for your marketing campaign? Don't just follow other brands to use celebrities. The only reason why you want to use a celebrity for your marketing campaign is that the celebrity will help you to increase your sales and your brand's equity. If you have decided to use a celebrity for your marketing campaign, these are some of the key principles. Choose a celebrity that fits your brand. The celebrity choice should be a strategic decision based on what will the celebrity do to increase your brand's perception, awareness, and equity. Therefore, do not just randomly choose celebrity because they are just the most popular celebrities nowadays. And also, do not choose celebrities because they are the ones you can afford to, because they are the cheapest ones. Ask a question. What is the marketing goal you're trying to achieve with the celebrity? Don't just sign up a celebrity to create a buzz. Instead, choose a celebrity if you want to break out from the clutter to accelerate your brand awareness and trial. Increase the credibility of your brand. Build your brand's equity by borrowing from the image of the celebrity. Then ask this question. What is the brand character of your brand? And does the character of the celebrity fit your brand? So, do not choose a celebrity because of their looks and their popularity. Don't choose the most handsome, the most beautiful celebrities if they do not fit your brand. Make sure that the celebrity fits into the character of your brand. For example, if your brand character is all about family care and children, then do not choose a celebrity, no matter how beautiful she is, known for all-night drunken parties. It just simply does not fit. Make your brand more popular, not the celebrity. Don't let the celebrity to hijack your brand. The danger of using the most popular celebrity is that you're paying the celebrity to become even more popular while your brand is just becoming a background poster. You don't want that. When creating advertising, make sure that it is your brand that is standing out, not the celebrity. Use the celebrity to endorse your brand, not the other way around. Remember, it is you who are paying the celebrity. Hire celebrities as your long-term brand ambassadors, not just one-night stand models. Once you identify the celebrity who fits your brand character, do not treat them with just one-off events. Think long-term. Make the celebrities as your long-term brand endorsers. Let them be the face of your brand. Make them use your products and let them tell the stories to the public, to their friends, or how they love using the product and how your product really improves their lives. Use them more than advertising. Include them into your public relations events and let them talk to the media. This will increase your brand's credibility by using the celebrity as your brand endorsers. How about you? Are you using celebrities for your brands? What is your experience in dealing with celebrities? Please write in the comment sections below. If you feel that this podcast is beneficial, please click like and subscribe. Don't forget to share with your friends so we can spread the benefits. Thank you so much. May you always be successful. All the best.